Let's now have a look at the Renpho Core 1 bodyweight scale. As you can see, standard packaging by Renpho. We'll take it open and let's take a look at the actual scale itself. So we open up the box here. And there's some batteries in the back there. I always like when companies include batteries. It's a nice little touch actually. So there's an instruction booklet too, but I'll show you guys how it works. And here is the scale just here. So I'm just going to remove the box. So here is the scale just here. So we're going to go put the batteries in and show you guys exactly how it works. Okay, there you go. So the scale comes on straight away, which is good. I don't know if you can see that there, but there's the weight. Now this scale has 4 precision sensors. So offers accurate weight measurements with a maximum weight of 180 kilos. Now it's got a large 11 by 11 inch display, as you can see here. Now it's very sleek, very modern as well, so it looks very nice. I love the black finish. So you step it on and it starts working straight away. It's also got anti-slip padding on there as well, as you can see, so it doesn't move at all on the floor. So very good if you want to go and check your weight. Now, let me go and look at it just now. Let's go and do a weight check. Now, as you can see, I'll step onto the scales just now. So they work automatically when you jump on. As you can see, 74 kilos there is my weight. So you hold it and it locks in the weight. Again, do it on a flat surface as well, because otherwise it moves a lot. But if you want to go and change the type of weight too, you can just literally step on the scale. So step off. You can change the type of measurement by pressing at the back there. See the little button? You press there and it changes it. So I do kilos because I'm based in Australia. So there you go.